Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to uninstall Comodo Internet Security on your Windows 11 computer. This tutorial will apply for earlier versions of Windows as well, and this should be a pretty straightforward process, and we're going to go ahead and jump right into it. So we're going to start off by opening up the search magnify icon down our taskbar. Type in Control Panel. Best match should come back with Control Panel. Go ahead and open that up. Select your view by and then select large icons. Select programs and features on the left side. And then you want to select Comodo Internet Security and then select uninstall. Select yes if you receive a user account control prompt. Select the uninstall button. Select I want to permanently remove it. So once that's done, select finish and then restart your computer. So there you go guys, should have been a pretty straightforward tutorial, and I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.